I'm having kind of an out-of-body experience. I was actually giddy about getting into my workout today. Not after my warm-up, which is usually when I'm really excited to work out. Before I even started my warm-up, that almost never happens, and I have no idea why. If I could figure out whatever it was that triggered my giddiness to actually look forward to my workout, I would do it every single day. I'm actually very jealous of any of you out there who actually looks forward to and is excited about your workout every day. But at the end of the day, I do my workouts regularly anyway. But I do know one thing that, actually now that I think about it as I'm making this video, this was unplanned, I'll go with it, sporadic. Merging my fitness, my personal fitness to my personal income, that does make a big difference for over 11 years now and counting. And speaking of that, by the way, for those of you that want to get healthy and make money while doing so and merging that, private message me. I'll show you a blog or a video, whichever you prefer, whatever your learning style is, all about it. And if you want to do it, we'll do it. But back on point, I want to tap into what it is that sometimes once in a while makes me giddy about my workout, my out-of-body experience. And then maybe I'll bottle it up and put that out there into the world so everyone can be excited to work out. All right. Well, my website, by the way, tombirkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, tombirkenmeyer.com. Feel free to share this and comment below if you've got a ritual or something that you do that you can rely on that puts you in the mood to work out each and every time. If you got something that helps you get into it, drop the comment below. I'd love to read about it, okay? Bye for now. Mwah! Make out kisses. Big, mwah, juicy make out kisses.